Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I'm your kernel mentor. So today we will look into how we can download a Ubuntu ISO image 22.04 and how do we install that into our VMware Workstation. So just follow up the video. So first open your any of the browser. For me I'm using Microsoft Edge. Just type here Ubuntu 22.04 ISO download. So as you download it, uh, you can see here you get to the official site where you can click on this Ubuntu 22.04 this link. As we click this link, you see this official Ubuntu release website is there. You see this Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. So this is a stable version. Go down, you'll see a list of different file being uh, listed here. So we are interested in the Ubuntu 22.0.4, this one, this particular ISO image. Just click over it and you will have a download starting. So as you can see, we are now downloading this image. Let's wait for it to get completed. So as you can see, we have a ISO image already downloaded here now. So after this step, now we will open our VMware workstation. So as you can see here, I have a VMware workstation. Let me open it. Okay. Here you see I already installed Ubuntu 64-bit. So I'll show you how I install this one. So basically, first I hope you guys have already followed my earlier video where I have given steps to install the VMware workstation. If you have not seen, please go and look at it and then proceed with this video. So you see here we have an option here saying create a new virtual machine. So just click over it. It will ask you here two kind of configurations, like one is a typical create a workstation with whatever or typical recommended configuration, and second is a custom one. If you want to customize your VMware workstation, like you want to give a specific 4 GB of memory or some hard disks configuration, then you can do using this. Currently, we will follow with the typical recommended one. Here now you see here now there are two options. One is install from the installer disk, and so earlier in the older days we used to have CD drives, right? But now since we are already having a ISO image, just you have to use this option where I see installer disk image. Just browse through your folders. So as we see, it was downloaded in the this one here, right? So just click over it. So you say it's already this has got an intelligence that detected it's a 22.0.4 Ubuntu with a 64-bit operating system, right? Now you just have to click next. Give your you might give your Linux a name, right? Operating system. So you can maybe kernel, right? So as kernel mentor. Okay. Yes, you can give anything 1, 2, 3, 4, something like this. Six. Okay, and you can give these are the so you these are basic credential you can use. I mean, as for your requirements, just go next. I have to give some path where you want to install your this. So currently, let's say I'm installing in the user path. It's not you can change this path as well, right? See now it's saying two because I already have a, one of the machine installed here. So you can you can even go and browse your any of the place where you want to install it in any of the hard disk you can install. For now, we will take this path as it is. Uh, Now it says that recommended minimum recommended size for the hard disk should be 20 GB. So we'll go with the recommended. You can increase it as per your requirement. Uh, there are other options that store virtual disk as a single file or a multiple file. I mean, you can say any one. So we'll go with the default option where it says split into multiple file. We will go with this option here. Hmm. So as you see here, it says then the machine name is Ubuntu. Then this is the version. This is the operating system. This is a 4 GB of. We are using 4 GB of RAM, and two CPU cores are allocated, and basic sound card and USB controls are enabled for it. And there's an option saying power on this virtual machine after creation, right? So it will be powered on it. So now just click over it. Okay. So now as you see here, it's getting open up. So now just wait for some time and it will install this. So as you can see here, now we see the screen, and so the setup is showing it. You might increase it to some, free stretch it so that you can see the bigger screen here. Now it is verifying the installation and configuration. Okay, so now we see it asks you for keyboard layout, right? So go with the default because normally we use English US. Continue, or if you want any specific keyboard layout, you can type it here, or you can detect the keyboard layout, let's say here, right? And it says to try this, right? So you can type this. So let's say if they ask you, right? Right, so it's English only, right? That's what we go continue. After let's ask you like what do you want to do. So let's say currently we'll do minimalistic installation. If you want more web browser utilities, other software to install, or you can use this option, but this will take little time, more time to install it, and in the installation process. For now, just for the demonstration, I'll go with the minimal installation. Just you can uncheck this box because we don't want any updates as of now. You can do it as per your requirement. Just continue with the installation. So now it says what you want to do. So installation type. So it says that currently computer has no detective operating system. So do you want to erase the disk install or something else? So as of now we'll just erase the disk and install because we have a fresh 20 GB of that allocated memory. So better to erase it and install the disk. Okay. Okay. Now it says that you have. See, if you continue to change, the disk will be written here, right? So it says this is a partition table of the following device, and it will be formatted, right, as a ext for. You just have to do continue. It says you can select your region. Maybe now I'll select India. Yeah, whatever region. Yes, so continue here. So now you can give your name here. Like maybe I'll say kernel mentor. By clicking here, you can see there are some operations going in the background. Uh, it does take that much amount of time. It has to. So now the installation is completed and now you can restart the computer. Uh, Click over the restart now. So as you can see now the Ubuntu is starting. You can see here. Now we are into the Ubuntu and we have this kernel mentor as a user. Just click over it and just enter the password that we entered during the installation process. And so now your system is up. As you can see here, you skip this, skip now. No, okay. So now your system is up, and as you can see here, you can browse your system like this, right? So yeah, I actually took some time to install it, but now your system is up. I hope you liked the video. If you face any issue, you can comment in the comment section. And if you really like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informational content. And you can suggest us the videos or some kind of tutorial that you want to learn. We will create separate videos for those. So welcoming your comments and all. So